Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, we're going to be sharing a haul video of some recent things that I got in from my little scrapbook store. I will have links to their Facebook page and the website so you can go and check out these things there. So I'm pulling everything out that was in bags, and I got these new Nuvo tape runners. They were a free item if you spent a certain amount over the National Scrapbook Day weekend. So I was able to get two, and then I also got this from, oh my god, what is it called? TCW. This is stencil butter called Terra Verte. And then the big thing that I got was this. This is the Sizzix stamp and stencil platform. So I'm just showing you, it has all the instructions on the back. You get basically everything you need to start stamping and stenciling inside the main box. And then the other smaller box that I had is another tool that can work with it that will help you make like wreaths. You could do semicircles. It stamps in a circle. So it comes with a mat, like a grid mat for the platform itself. That's on the back. And then the other additional pieces. And then this is the spinny one that I was telling you about, where you can create the wreaths or you could do half circles, stuff like that. All right. Now the next thing that we had, I'm going to bring up the bag. This has everything in it. My ribbon I had to take out because when my cats see the ribbon, they go crazy. So I'm just going to pull everything out so we can start going through. I got a lot of flares and a couple of collections. So we're just going to go through everything. I'm going to try and kind of keep it here. I might have to turn it a little bit. Yeah, just because it keeps sliding. Okay, so the first thing I got was this little pill pin from Doodlebug. They're so cute. The keychain. This is a gift for somebody, so I can't speak too loud, but I got it for my aunt because she was in this particular field. So I think that'll be cute for her. So I'm going to open up some of the flares here. And these are, I think they're listed as like junk journal flare. Well, not this one. That one was just cute. But these here, you can see, yeah, junk book. So I'm just going to hold these up here. You have all the different colors. I love these purple ones. The soft blues, that's like ocean. Aren't the gnomes cute? And they're with lemons. I just think those are so cute. And then, let me see. Yep. Now, some of these actually look like, I thought that would go with the stamp from Stampers Anonymous with the rabbit. And then there's a couple of these that look like they would go with the Simple Stories collection. I love the bees. I don't know. I have a thing about bees in the collections. And then the hummingbirds. So cute. And then I'm going to try and stuff these back in here. Bear with me because I do try and put stuff back as I go with this, only because I know me, and if I don't, I won't do it afterwards. So we're going to pull these ones out. Now these are your regular canvas flare. I thought that was cute. Under construction. Then we have some fun colors. These ones. These go with the Simple Stories collection that came out, I want to say in April. They match it really well. And I love these butterflies. And because I'm a Beyonce fan, I love Cowboy Carter. So I got these. And then I got the hearts. And then we're going to try and stuff these back in. And then I realized, T, you're trying to stuff the whole thing back in at once. And that they weren't in there like that. But I get them in. And then we'll put them to the side. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is, I believe, the stamps. Yeah. Oh, no. I got some more film strips. As long as Michelle has them in stock, I will replenish my stash because I don't want to ever run out. I love those. And these are the two Stamper Anonymous stamp sets that I liked with the flowers, and they're the red rubber. And then this one I thought would be cool because you could do like embossing and then color it in. Those are also red rubber. I got some more rub-ons from 49 and Market. And then these are a stamp and die set. And I'm going to open it up so you can see. Um, and I want to say with these stamps, they're supposed to be a layered stamp look. So you have one that's an outline, and then you have like the solid part so you can color it in that way. And then you have, for the bigger piece, the die cut to cut that out. Some of the smaller things, you're not going to cut those out. You can, what do they call that? Fussy cut those. The butterfly is easy to trace around. You know what I mean? And then I got some of these from Doodlebug in silver. I also got this collection from, I think it's Pink Fresh. They always have like words and letters like this. And I love how they're like an ombre of colors. So I wanted to get that. And I did get this collection from Doodlebug. I couldn't help myself. It's like for when you're sick. It also has some teeth. I took some pictures when I had to go to the dentist at the beginning of the year. And so I want to scrap it because it was funny to me. And I looked like a walrus with sticks in my mouth trying to numb. It was funny. So I took pictures. And I'm going to use those for that. And then I'm trying to grab the collection at the bottom so that way I can show you what came in the Happy Scrappy bag. And I'm trying to do it one-handed while I'm holding some of the other stuff, so just bear with me. But I love the Band-Aids. Aren't those cute? And then I'm going to empty this out so that way it makes it a little bit easier. And I can show you all this stuff. Okay, so these are shakers. And then I thought they were so cute. The cloud. You got the Get Well Soon and the like a teacup. And then I thought this was pretty. It says love you with the flowers. And then we have I think that was a ephemera piece, a little pill. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Isn't that very cute? Get well soon with the balloons. Oh my god. And then the teeth, you know, I'm using that for my dental ones. And then look at the like little bits there. You get so much in this collection. You get like words and sayings. You get ephemera, which is where I found the hole. There was a hole in the packaging, so that's why the little ephemera pills were falling out. So I'm just gonna put a couple of those back in. And then what I do is I'll take washi tape and put it along the edge to help prevent the little pieces from falling out. And I'm just grabbing my little washi tape right there, and I'll put that on. And then that keeps it from falling out. And then of course I find another one. So now I open it regular and I'll just slide that in. All right. And then the next one, I think I turned that one over. Yes. So you see what all comes in there. So you get a lot of words and titles. This one is a little like journaling elements, and then all the ephemera pieces. I mean, it's really a cute collection. And you don't have stuff like this because I mean sometimes you are sick and sometimes it's funny things. Like I have taken so many photos over the years just sitting in the doctor's office like feeling horrible and taking forever for them to come in. So I can use, go back and look at all those photos too. So that would be fun. All right, and I'm trying to put that back in the scrappy bag. And then the extra pieces. So I got the 6x6. I got the shadow box for that one. So I'm just putting everything that's kind of out right now back in the bag. And we'll put that to the side. Because the big thing I got is the 49 and Market. And this one is the Crafty. I have it right here. What is it called? Ooh. Hold on. This is the Crafty Garden. And so I'm showing you all the elements. We have the words, which I love using for titles. This ephemera collection is huge. They give you so much stuff, you'll never get through it all. And then we have the laser cuts. which are beautiful flowers and leaves and butterflies. And then we have the solid collection. So with that, they started doing the collection kit. Is it the collection kit? Oh, their collection bundle that 49 and Market creates. So inside the collection bundle, you get, as I pull this all out. Okay. So we have the Bobs and Bubbles. That's all the little like enamel dots and stuff. You get a collection of rub-ons, and then you get more like ephemera elements. So it's not the flowers, but it's still the laser cuts. And then you get a big sheet of chipboard, which is awesome. I love the frames. And you get more titles. And then you get the collection paper. I think I showed you that one. Did I? Oh, I'm trying to put the back in. I put the chipboard piece back into the plastic container, and then everything else I'm putting into the white thank you bags that Michelle sends us. So that way it's all together. And I'm still using the plastic piece, but I know the plastic one won't fit everything that I have for it in it. So that's why I did it sort of backwards. Okay, so there we have that. I have everything else in the bag already, so I'm not going to pull that all out, but I am going to pull out, where's the other piece? Yes. Oh, this one. This is the last one, I promise. I almost forgot about it. The Happy Scrappy box, which is actually in a bag, which is so cute. I love how they have the sticker. It says in the bag. So they give you inspiration. They give you different ideas and instructions all written out. And then you get everything that comes in the kit, right? So there's special flair that's done, which is so awesome. And then we also have from Pink Fresh elements from, I forget what this collection is called. If it holds up and I can see it, I'll tell you. But this stencil is really, it's a double duty because you get a mask of the flower or the element, and then you get, the negative, I guess. You got a positive and a negative. So I'm pulling out the pieces of flowers, and then there's birds up at the top. I was trying to put something behind it. I know the white is very stark, but you can just see you got all the flowers, like the leaves and stuff, and then you have the birds up at the top. So you can create a scene, and you could use the mask to mask the flowers, color in the birds, and then it'll look like the birds are in front of the leaves or they're behind. That would be really cute. And then just bear with me as I fight to get this thing back. Hey. Nothing can be easy going back into the plastic, can it? I'm like, it's so much pressure because you're videotaping and you're like, I don't want to take all day, but it's taking all day. Yeah. Fun. Okay. So we also get these vellum pieces from Pink Fresh. And then more of their, I think they're considered puffy words. And then you get 2 cut apart sheets. So you have all these elements. You would just take your scissors and fussy cut. And I love that they have color and sort of like that charcoal color, because with the Pink Fresh collection, obviously that's where we get the color from. And I'm showing you the pages here. And you get 1 of each sheet that they have in the collection. But the other bonus to me is that you also still have the charcoal from 49 and Market. We get like 3 or 4 pages from that as well. And this collection, I love it. I really do. There's something about the charcoal, and I love the fact that you can do pops of color on it. And yeah, so 4 sheets. I think it is 4 sheets. If there's another one, oh no, it might be 5 sheets. I didn't count just then. But yeah, so you get quite a few pieces of paper with the elements that you can cut out, and the stencil. I mean, there's a lot you can do with this kit. So I'm excited for it. I like getting the kits. I've gotten each one so far. But yeah, I definitely love the mixture of 49 and Market and the Pink Fresh to be used together. Okay, so I'm going to do a separate video on the Sizzix tool. So that'll be coming up as well. And I thank you guys for joining me today. Like I said, links will be down below to all the website and the Facebook page. Come join us. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a great weekend.